Hi, it's look-som prasad baraghare, and this is my mini project. The name of my mini project is RFID Door Systems. The tool that I have used in this project are Arduino LCD with I2C module, RFID reader, servo motors, cards, and now let's begin. We need to scan the card first. After scanning card, we can see the UID number, and the UID number should be put it in the second code. After scanning part of the code insert the RFID model and wait for the new RFID card to present. And once a card is dictated, is the code with its unique identification, that is UID, and display it's on LCD screens. The real-time feedback provided by the LCD screen and demonstrates the scanning process with the sample RFID card. And moving on the next, after the moving on the door lock system part of the code, we can see if we scan here, the door is locked, and if we again scan here, it's open and open. The scan of the scan this scan the UID number of this card, and if the scan UID match, if we scan the wrong card, then it will say the card wrong. With the only the UID verification, we can open the door